Okay, so you're used to drawing with a regular pencil and paper, but you wanted to get into digital drawing. So you got your iPad and you got your Apple Pencil, but it still doesn't feel the same. It's something you have to get used to, right? You miss that slightly textured feel and resistance of the pencil going across the paper. Well, I got a solution for you. Paperlike film. Check out the video coming up. Okay, so this is the paper-like film package that I ordered for my iPad when I noticed that my Apple Pencil was gliding a little too much than I felt comfortable with. So I wanted that traditional paper-like feature on my iPad. So this film, the features of the film is it's paper-like, so it has a slight rough texture. It has low reflection. You get less fingerprints on your screen. It's still smooth and hard, and it's easily removable, and it's self-adhesive. The installation instructions are on the back, and step one is to clean your screen. The step two is to find the step one sticker on the film. You peel, and step three, peel off the film, the step one film, apply the film on step four, and then step five, you peel off step two film, and then it's ready to use. But let's go on with step one, where we just clean off the screen. Here I'm using my eyeglass cleaner. It's a Zeiss cleaner for eyeglasses. You can pick this up at Walmart or any optical. Just make sure you get one that doesn't have any alcohol in it. And then what you do, you spritz it just a couple of times is enough. And then you take a microfiber cloth and just rub it all around. Get any previous um, dirt and oil and fingerprint all over it, and just make sure it's very nice, clean, and smooth. No little dust particles. I'm very picky about it, so you might see me wipe it down a couple of times. So let's see what's inside the package. It shouldn't be that difficult to open now. Come on. There we go. Alright, so inside we have, ta-da, some paperwork. Oh, that's it. Alright. So what we got here? We got some instructions again, a little thank you card, and on the reverse side we have the same instructions we saw on the back of the package. Clean off the screen, peel off the screen, apply step one, peel off step two. So basically the same thing. So if you didn't have any spray cleaner or microfiber cloth, the package comes with a cleaning wipe, which is a wet cleaning wipe to wipe down your screen. So that's pretty good. And then also it comes with a squeegee board to squeegee out all the bubbles that might pop up while you're applying the film. And in this folder we have the blue film. Well, it's blue because of the stickers all over it. But it seems to be inside another blue film or folder type film, like a sheet protector. Okay, we get rid of that. And here we identify which are step 1 and tab 1 and tab 2. And I'm just gonna line it up to see if I got the right one for my tablet. Everything looks good. The camera holds on. Alright, so let's peel this off. Step 1. Hold it by one side and hold on. Okay, this shouldn't be this hard. Alright, step 1 is off. Okay, gotta wipe it down. I know I'm picky. Alright, let's lay this across. I'm telling you, I'm very bad at this. Alright, I think. Nope, wait a minute. Nope. Alright, I'm laying it down. It looks like it's self-adhering, like it says. Let me just push out these bubbles with the squeegee. Yep. Alright, I got that one. Those. Yep. Let's get this edge over here. So basically you get the idea. Just put it on and squeegee out the little bubbles and the big ones too. Alright, so we're gonna just check around the edges here, make sure everything is alright. We're gonna pull on this tab just right here. Okay. Pull it off slowly. Yep. Okay, here we go. It's going. Everything is looking great. You see the matte finish just slightly, and bam, done. Here's the nice matte look I like. Reduced glare and less fingerprints on my screen. Let's test it out right now. There you go.